We have a Mori-Seiki horizontal machining center, model NH5000DCG, serial number NH502HG0840. This one is new in 2008. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a 500 millimeter or 19.7 by 19.7 pallet. 28.7 in the X travel, 28.7 in the Y. You can start running and oh, so quiet, we don't even hear it. Spindle's running right now at 2,500 RPM, 33.5-inch Z pallet Z travel. Right now, the spindle does go up to 14,000 RPM. That's 5. It's Cat 40 taper on the spindle, 60 tool ATC, 7,500. You have a Mori-Seiki model MSX701 Roman numeral 3 control with FANUC back end, 9,000 RPM. Going up, you have cooling through the spindle with a 1,000 PSI chip blaster unit. You also have a chip conveyor, double augers, machines double ball screws, doing a tool change. The rotary table or pallet is a 1-degree index. Pallet change, the pallet has a 1,000 or 1,100 pound capacity. Okay. We're rotating the rotary table again. It's 360-degree index. Clamp in position. Another index. Running your Z. X. And your Y. So you've seen your B, X, Y, and Z, spindle, and tool change, and a pallet change. Hey, thank you for watching our video.